Hey there, it's John with Excel Campus, and I want to let you know about this new Excel shortcuts page that we just published to our website. So this page here contains a list of over 270 shortcuts for Excel, for both the keyboard and the mouse. And as you can see here at the top of the page, you have instructions on how to press the keys depending on the separator. It also includes shortcuts for the Windows, Mac, and web versions of Excel. So no matter what version of Excel you're using, you'll have all the shortcuts here. And you can also learn the equivalents on the other versions of Excel. So as you scroll down here, there's a section on how to use and search this page. There's also a table of contents here that you can collapse or expand, and the page is divided up based on different sections for different types of shortcuts. So if you want to learn shortcuts on writing formulas, you can click this and it'll take you down to the section of the page that contains all the shortcuts for writing formulas. As you can see, there are a lot of different sections here, and so we've organized them to make it easier to navigate. Down below that, you can also opt in to download a PDF version of the page, and that looks like this here. So here's the list where you can also print this out, download and print out that PDF version and keep it with you. And then below that, we have all the various sections with those shortcuts. So again, in the first column here, we have a description of the shortcut. And then in the adjacent columns, we have the shortcuts for the Windows, Mac, and web or online versions of Excel. Again, this page is completely free to access. You can go to excelcampus.com/shortcuts, and I'll put a link to that in the description below this video. You can also leave a comment at the bottom of this page if you have any suggestions or if there's any shortcuts that we missed. Let us know and we'll be happy to add them to this resource. So I hope you enjoy this. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.